So for this little video, we're just going to talk you through what the different warning signs might be on a touch panel for a Gen 3. See how we have a exclamation mark set up here on the staking controller. So if we go into it, depending on what it is, if it's a unit warning, it will display here on the front page. If it is a zone issue, see how it's illustrated here. There is two different types of warnings we might see. One is the AA89, which is too many or more than one sensor allocated to that zone. So what that means is when we go look at a wall sensor, for example, these ones are the dip switch style, there'll be two wall sensors that have two dip switches allocated to zone 5. So what we need to do is find the issue of that one. If it doesn't happen to be in your property, then it's likely that there is another system that's nearby that is actually interfering. And the workaround for that is to go around and change the system ID number, which is this 4 dip switch setting down the bottom here, and change it to another one, because you have a system nearby that is actually showing that is on the same system ID channel. The other type of sensor option you might find is if there is actually a flat battery in one of the wall sensors, that will come up with an exclamation mark, and then when you tap on that warning will come up and show you a flat battery option for that zone. And then you would go to that zone and then change the battery. So the illustration of doing that, if you've got the older style wall sensors, you take out the battery and replace the battery as per one of the videos we have on our YouTube channel. If you've got a newer wall sensor style, you'll find them are slightly different, and we need to undo the 2 little screws and then slide out the battery, put the battery back in, and then replace the little holder to keep that battery in place. The reason for that is so that we don't, so that the battery isn't easily removed for hazards for children.